Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Transit-250. The Transit-250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, one owner, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, electronic stability control, tachometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.